Hey guys, what's happening? How to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. So open up your Google Classroom, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead inside the stream, of course. You're gonna hit add announcement or new announcement, right? And then what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and announce something to your class, right? If you're a student, or you could just go ahead and hit attachment, right? If you're assigned to a like homework or whatever, like a test, and you need to upload essentially the assignment, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just upload or add from Google Drive if you upload it to a drive, or insert a link, upload a file, pick a photo, take a photo, record a video, or create a new PDF file. So if you have the assignment already on your files, you could just go ahead and choose whatever option you would like. And afterwards, what you're gonna do, just hit create at the top right, and of course the teacher will see your assignment and give you a rate based on that. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you or give you a grade. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.